Welcome to this DelftStack tutorial video. In today's tutorial, we will learn how to import XML into Google Forms. Google Forms does not have a direct way to import or export questions from XML files. If you have an XML file with your questions, the easiest approach is to open it in Google Sheets. Once opened, you can organize the questions and options in a clear format. To start, just go to your File Explorer and open your XML file in Notepad. Select All and copy. Then go to Google Chrome and open this website called converterecv.com. Here you will see a box to input the data. You will see that the CSV file is generated. Select All, copy it, and go to Google Sheets. In the spreadsheet, go to the first column and paste the data. Make sure the first column is selected, then go to Data. Click on Split Text to Columns. And that's it. Now what you're going to do is copy the questions and answers manually, as this is the only way you can import Excel data into Google Forms. Just select the question, copy it, and paste it into Google Forms. For the options, do the same. As you can see, we have successfully imported questions from XML files. You can toggle on required so respondents can't skip the question. You can also choose multiple choice, checkboxes, drop-down, short answer, or paragraph. We learned that XML cannot be directly imported into Google Forms, and that using Google Sheets is the easiest way to transfer multiple questions efficiently. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out the next DelftStack tutorial videos.